Good afternoon, Dr. guys. Apologies for starting really late. So we're just going to head straight to the analysis. It's just a recap of what we analyzed during the normal interpreter session. So starting off with the actual monthly time, on the monthly time frame, I'm seeing right here where oil price has been bullish or coming down here, so it's because of liquidity and we're seeing some push to the downside. Coming out to the weekly time frame, also seeing a pair of this slow and more bearish moves. Coming down to daily time frame also, all I see is a book of structure. And where do I think price is trading into? Price was trading into this daily order block residing at 102.924 on the daily time frame. So saying that there has been a break of this high right here and there has been a weakness, then I'm going to flip from point A to point B, whereas price is currently at 78.5 level. Price traded into 78.6% level. So we may see some reaction on that point all the way to the upside. And where is our target again? The other block at 102.924. So establishing that we're interested in catching short-term buys, in entering short-term buys, we will be looking for opportunities in the market. And earlier today, during the London market color sessions, we actually had this markup right here. The box pattern strategy that we use, shoulder at 97.992, swiftly downside, go to the upside. All we want to see is for price to return all the way to this left shoulder. Once price gets there, I'm willing to go bullish on the DXY. Key statement of this price point, price hasn't fulfilled what we are looking out for. Price has not gotten into our point of interest. And once price straight into our point of interest, which is this left shoulder in the 15-minute time frame, we will be looking out for buy opportunities on the DXY. Down to GBP USD. In the monthly time frame for GBP USD, overall, we're seeing bearish moves. And coming down to the weekly time frame also, we're seeing a clear of this high right here. On the daily time frame, contradicting what we've seen on the much higher time frames, we're seeing a bit of structure, change of character, implying that GU wants to keep selling for a period of time for a while. And seeing that price failed to pick out this high at 1.35856, and instead it just traded into the resistance, and we're seeing a bit of a reaction to the downside. It means that all you should be looking out for are sell opportunities on GBP USD. And of course, the classic box pattern also for a sell on GBP USD, shoulder, sweep, break. We want to see price returning all the way to this left shoulder at 1.35239. And once I see price gets there, I'm willing to sell GBP USD. And of course, it's already selling. Some people may be saying, oh, it's already selling and it has not, gotten to a point of interest yet. For me, I'd still be patient to see price trade into some premium level, trade into this left shoulder. And once that happens, I'm willing to ride the sell of GBP USD all the way, except otherwise. And I've been a bit of short on most time frames before I changed my buyer from a sell of GBP USD to maybe a buy of GBP USD. And this is just a recap of what was said extensively during the London market color session. So the monthly time frame for Euro USD, overall, we're still in a bearish direction. And coming down to the weekly time frame also, we've seen a clear of the high residing at 1.12272. Coming down to the daily time frame, we're seeing something way different. Break, change of character first, break of structure, and we saw a retest. So if I will be fibbing this most recent swing from point A to point B, price traded into 78.6% fib level, held off that point and we see some reaction. So this is actually establishing the fact that I will be looking out for sell opportunities on Euro USD. Coming down to the 15-minute time frame for entries, establishing direction. Now we want to look out for entries, and coming down to the 15-minute time frame, that's the shoulder at 1.16843, sweep to the upside, break to the downside. If you've been learning for a while, you should know that we want to see this for price to fully trade into this left shoulder again at 1.16843. And once price gets there, I'm willing to sell. Yeah, so I'm still looking out for sell opportunities on Euro USD. Price has not gotten to a point of interest yet. And where we analyze our price trading trades before we take our positions. Price has not traded into those levels yet. So we'll wait for price to trade into those levels, into some premium level, and then we will be more than willing to take the sell of Euro USD, GBP USD too. If you have questions at this point, you can type in the chat box and we'll be looking at your questions. Or if you have a different bias from everything that has been analyzed, please feel free to type in chat box also, and we will be looking at what you're seeing, your different outlook for everything that has been said. Right, so we're still trying to put our thoughts together. Registration for the FX Bootcamp training is currently ongoing. FX Bootcamp training is our premium course for currency trading. So if you are new to trading, or if you want to refine your strategy, signing up for the FX Bootcamp training is a good place to start. To register and for more inquiries, you can send us a message on WhatsApp using the number 081 6099 5030, and we will be taking it from there. If there are no questions, we have come to the end of today's market call session. See you tomorrow by 8:30 a.m. Nigerian time. Cheers.